Hello, my name is Tristan. In today's presentation, we will be discussing the difference between data and information and also venture a bit into information systems. First, let's define the terms data and information. The terms data and information are used interchangeably. However, there is a subtle difference between the two. In a nutshell, data can come in the form of a number, symbol, character, word, graphs, etc. On the other hand, information is data put into context. Information is utilized by humans in some significant way, such as to make decisions. A basic example of information would be a computer. A computer uses formulas or software applications to turn data into information. Example, for weather forecast. Here we have a comparison table that further displays their differences. Now let's delve into information systems. An information system is an integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data, and for providing information, knowledge, and digital products. Business firms and other organizations rely on information systems to carry out and manage their operations, interact with their customers and suppliers, and compete in the marketplace. Information systems are used to run interorganizational supply chains and electronic markets. For instance, corporations use information systems to, pro- to process financial accounts, to manage their human resources, and to reach their potential customers with online promotions. Many major companies are built entirely around information systems. Let's go through the history of information systems. Information systems as we know them have only been around for the past 50 years, but since the inception of information systems, it has done more to expand global industries than any other convention. Its inception can be traced back to World War II, where the Americans, in a push to win the war, were developing tools to crack German codes to give Allied forces advanced warnings on enemy movements. The operations research field that developed from this meant many highly skilled personnel were able to move into business and industry once the war was over. It was during World War II that the first computers were developed, which gave operation researchers the power to begin to design large and more complex information systems, which are now used daily to increase profits in business and provide extensive analytics. Information systems had found their way into mainstream business by the mid-60s. Telecommunications were the first type of information system to become a prominent player, but it wasn't until the 70s that upper management realized the importance of information systems. Components of information systems. Information systems may differ in how they are used within an organization. They typically contain the following components. Hardware. Computer-based information systems are computer hardware such as processors, monitors, keyboards, and printers. Software. These are the programs used to organize, process, and analyze data. Network. Different elements need to be connected to each other, especially if many different people in an organization use the same information system. Procedures. These describe how specific data are processed and analyzed in order to get the answers for which the information system is designed. There are four main types of information systems. First, we have the transaction processing system. which is a type of information system that collects, stores, modifies, and retrieves the data transaction of an enterprise. TPS is software for managing data transactions that are done within or outside the organization. For example, electronic transfer of funds. Management information systems. This is a set of combined procedures that gather and produce reliable, relevant, and properly organized data that supports the decision-making process of an organization. For example, enterprise resource planning systems, accounting and finance systems, and management reporting systems. Next, we have the decision support systems. These help decision makers to make the best decision by generating statistical projections from analyzed data. Although it does not eliminate the need for the manager's judgment, it significantly improves the quality of the decision by offering forecasts that help determine the best course of action. Example, group decision support systems, logistic systems, and financial planning systems. Next, we have the executive information systems. Is a tool used for reporting enterprise-wide data to top executives. These systems provide quick and easy to use reports that are presented in graphical displays that are easy to compare. They can be taken as specialized decision support systems because they provide information necessary to help improve the quality of decisions. These systems need to be highly individualized, hence they are usually custom made for specific clients. They are also customizable to fit the specific needs of their clients. Next, we have the four-level pyramid mode diagram of information system types. In this diagram of a four-level pyramid model of information system types, it shows the direction in which the information flows. As displayed, information can flow upward or downward. It may also flow in a horizontal or diagonally. In closing, data information and information systems play an important role in the business world and everyday life on a whole, as it facilitates development in its most efficient state. Thanks for listening.